This is the shotgun I just made. Alright. There it is. Screw, 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 bipod. Now it comes apart. I welded the chain. I welded, put it in to the pipe till the black mark or black paint, and that's what I did. See, I carver or mark it here, J boy, and I did something else. I put the homemade North Carolina 1/8/2018. It's pretty awesome. I'm gonna take it to the test. I tested it already anyway, but I'm gonna take it to a test maybe one of these days to the shooting range. Now I'm gonna take another video. It was pretty easy to make it. It just took me 2 or 3 days. See, weld it right here, carve it. I carved a piece of 2x4. I found it in I found this 2x4 in the buck jar, and I just cut it and make it. See, I love it. I have another rifle which is a 270 WSM, and I have a 40 caliber gun. I love them. I just needed a shotgun, and I was deciding if I was gonna buy one or make my own one. And I started doing a search, and it's legal. Well, I have it. I cannot sell it. You cannot sell it or give it to a friend or someone else. You can keep it to yourself. Like this one, I'm gonna keep it to myself. Protect my family. Protect my property. That's it. Maybe go hunting someday for rabbits or squirrels, whatever. But it's pretty awesome. That's the bipod. It's the wood right there. It's the other part right there. Look at that. I love it. And this right here. Maybe you can make yourself. Maybe you can copy of this. If y'all interested and have any questions, y'all can text me on the comments, and I can maybe give you some tips. But that's pretty awesome. I love it. Thank you guys for watching. Keep it up.